Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. I know the market is down right now, guys, but we gotta understand this is the time that we're in right now. But you gotta take advantage of opportunities. But before we do anything, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. This your guy, Crypto Chuck here, the group Crypto Black. And guys, make sure you follow us on all our different social media handles as well, all right? So make sure you follow us on all our different social media handles as well. And shout out to everybody that's out there that's still in the market doing their thing. Dollar cost averaging, guys, finding the actual coins and the products that you actually like. And keep dollar cost averaging, guys. Trust me, your 2024, 2025 stuff is going to love you for it, all right? This is the time where I was buying Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin, Binance coin, and people was like, you're crazy, man, that Bitcoin's a scam, and what, Cardano, 2 cents, it's only 2 cents, what are you doing, But then when Cardano went from 2 cents to over $3, everybody called me a genius. I was buying bought Seek in 2020, early 2020. And it was 0.004 cents. You know, people, I don't know. And Seek went from 0.004 cents to over $1 and some change. So, guys, these are the times that you want to buy with the right projects. Don't just buy everything. The right projects. All right? But dollar cost average, you don't gotta go crazy in it. Just dollar cost average. Put $50 in every single week, or 100, $200 every single week, whatever you want to do, whatever you can afford. Throw it in there, and over time you'll see. But man, we see right now, guys, that the market cap right now is at $893 billion. 24-hour volumes at $61 billion. Bitcoin diamonds at 42.7. Ethereum diamonds at 15%. If you guys want to send some ETH around right now, send it around. You can send it around for cheap right now. The Gwei is only 34. So guys, if you want to send some ETH around or some tokens around right now, is the best time to send it. All right. But yeah, man, we see Bitcoin currently down 3.27% the last 24 hours. ETH is down 7.4%. Down to $1,100 in the last 24 hours. Man, you really don't see anything. You really don't see anything green here, in the last 24 hours. So it's just nothing. Just red. What you see across the board. Whether you see green, really, it's the stable coins. So, but yeah, man, we see that it was trending. It's stepping, it's trending, but it's still down 6.76%. Shiba, obviously, Bitcoin is trending. Bitcoin always trends, right? But this is the time to use dollar cost averaging the product you actually really like. All right, but man, let's check out, man. Then also we check it out over here, man. We see Bitcoin BTC volume. So we see here that we got more puts. We got more puts over here than calls. All right, so we had 52.5 on the put side, and we had 47.5 on the call side. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum got more puts than calls. So right now we're still inside the bearish. We're in a bearish sentiment, and so you want to basically make sure that you guys know the market that you're in. All right. So, man, we're gonna talk about the Bitcoin dips. What's going on? So we're seeing first mover BTC dips. 3 hours capital liquidation reportedly ordered by BVI. Let's check out Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, guys, look at the charts at 20,000, $15. We had a low at $19,854. So, guys, you see down for the month. We're down 32% for the month. We below that 7-day moving average. So, guys, I'm telling you right now, you want to be, I got my, I got an alert right here, which is support. So we are supported by 19,696. So we break that, guys. I'm looking for the volume to keep going up on the short. So we break this down. We break this. You can short that. You can short it down even farther. And we're looking for the next step. It'll be an easy trade. It'll be a little over about 18,800. So you can go for that trade right there if you are shorting the market. So if you do a trade right here from here down to the body, basically, that's still almost a 4% trade. All right. So if you're doing, anybody that's shorting, you know what I mean. That's a 4% trade is a good trade. All right. So yeah, guys. Man, but Ethereum, ETH, I think these just good buys for these. I mean, still need the 7-day moving average. You do the same exact thing there on the 7-day. We can ride this all the way down too. I mean, so when the market dumps, I see ETH could push below $1,000 again. You know what I mean? And anytime ETH goes below $1,000, this is an easy buy. Easy buy. Let me see something real quick. All right, cool. All right, yeah, it's an easy buy. So, but man, let's check this out. It says the first move of America's BTC dips. So it said, basically it says market Bitcoin is down 5% after the report the liquidation of crypto hedge fund 3 Hours Capital was ordered by a British Virgin Island court. So BTC has dipped below 20,000 on the report the liquidation of crypto hedge fund 3 Hours Capital ordered by a British Virgin Island court. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was trading around 19.7, down 5% on the day. So ETH took a larger dip, traded 8%. Solana was down 11%. Avalanche was down by 8%. So with uncertainty, and that's the whole thing about uncertainty. We got the CPI numbers coming out soon in the coming weeks. So, when the CPI numbers come out, and then, then the Fed going to come right out again. You know what I mean? About a couple weeks later, with the rates. So it's going to be something, guys. I'm telling you right now. So uncertainty with the market don't like. All right. So it says with the market right now, Jason Dean, analyst of quantum economics, said that the slightest negative revelation is heavily amplified in such a dire economic backdrop where people consider crypto assets as risk on trades, coupled with exchanges under pressure and decentralized finance platforms being stress tested to a degree only imagined by those who built them in the good times. That uncertainty is not unfounded, added Dean. Dean said that with no clear path forward as of yet, his view of his nervousness in the market will continue for some time. There's probably more shakeout to come, possibly from the mining sector, which he called an area worth watching closely. Yep. So, guys, what you want to do is you want to look out for the miners, because the miners are going to start selling as well. So, if the miners start selling, because before, what the miners could do as Bitcoin was going up, they're able to borrow against their crypto, right? So they would just take it and put it inside one of these lending platforms, borrow against their Bitcoin, and keep their stuff in operation, right? Keep their stuff afloat. But since, one, a lot of these lending platforms is actually going down, that's one, so you don't want to put your money in there, period. And two, that the asset, the LTV, the loan to value, is not going to be strong because Bitcoin's not going, it's actually going down. So whatever Bitcoin they put over there to lend, the value is going down, the loan to value is going down, in which they have to actually pay to keep their the LTV up, right, to where they can borrow against it or have to pay back those loans. So what they have to do is basically they can't go to the lending platforms. For one, a lot of them is in trouble, and two, the LTV is not there, so they have to just sell their Bitcoin instead of try to get a loan against it to keep yourself afloat. They have to sell their Bitcoin in order to keep their business afloat, right? It's energy, warehouse. You have people that work inside here as well. So you got to pay for your rent. You know what I mean? You rent out a warehouse. So and then obviously your energy and the energy bill is pretty high. Keep with the minings. So that's what they had to do. They had to pretty much keep yourself in operations. So if they start selling, you can see a push down in crypto. But if the buyers are there, they buy the dip. We get some cheap Bitcoin at that point. But we'll see how that play out. But I keep telling people over and over and over again what I think. You'll start seeing a turnaround when the bailout start happening. When the Feds start saying, okay, listen, it's broke. We broke it. We broke everything. Then we're going to start fixing, start repairing it. Let's start lowering the interest rate. Let's start putting some money back into the market, into the markets. And then all of a sudden, that's when people going to start saying, okay, these risk-on trades or these risk-on assets, I can actually take this cheap money, buy into these risk-on assets, and then that's when you start seeing crypto start going back up again. That's just how it's going to work, guys. It happens over and over and over and over again. Once you start understanding that, then you'll be fine, okay? So that's when I believe that we reach the bottom. We reach the bottom when everything breaks, right? And then the feds come in and say, you know what? It's broken. Now we got to come back and fix it. They break to make, okay? Break to make. They're going to break the market. They're going to make the market, all right? That's just how it goes. But, man, I wanted to bring this up because I was at Bitcoin 2022. I'm not big. I'm sorry. It's been a long week, man. Last week, man, I was at the NFT NYC, and man, it was crazy, man. NFT NYC was crazy. It was a lot of things. I did a video. I dropped the video here on the channel, so guys, make sure you guys go check that out right there as well. But it was a lot of things going on with NFT NYC. A lot of parties, a lot of things going on, especially with GameFi. I'm so bullish on GameFi, guys, and right now is the time for the developers to develop. So you're gonna start seeing a lot of people developing some good stuff, and you're gonna start seeing a lot of people actually jump ship, get out of the market, and go somewhere else. But a lot of people are coming into this space. A lot of the big boys, a lot of big finance and VCs, they're coming to this space. I was there, right there with them, guys, rubbing elbows with them. So I'm telling you right now, guys, it is a go. All right, but you just gotta run. You gotta go through this right now in the cycle. You gotta go through the cycle right here, and you'll be fine. So it says Crypto Toys raised $23 million to mix NFTs, gaming, and virtual toys. So it said Crypto Toys, an NFT based startup, announced it was raised $23 million in Series A funding round led by A16Z, the company which seeks to mix NFTs with the world of gaming and virtual toys. Will create what is called a cryptoverse, in which it will also implement play-to-earn features and issue its own tokens. So it's Cryptoids raised $23 million in Series A round. The NFT market is facing a slump phase that is affecting prices and the popularity of NFT projects recently. However, there are projects that have managed to stay afloat and even thrive. One of them is Cryptoids, an NFT startup that has announced the completion of a successful funding round. The Series A funding round, which raised $23 million, was led by A16Z Crypto, with the participation of other companies and firms including Mattel, Dapper Labs, Draper and Associates, Accrue Capital, Coin Fund, Animoca Brands, and Sound Ventures. Now, guys, when I see Animoca Brands, I see Dapper Labs, I see Mattel, which I own a lot of Mattel stocks, and Draper Associates. Guys, I'm on it. I'm on it, man. I'm telling you right now, I'm on it like flies on a watermelon. That's all I'm going to say, right? So, guys, I'm telling you right now, that's what you want to see, the partnerships, all right? And who they're partnering with, who's actually funding them, and then, you go from there. So the company will use these funds to further develop its own platform, dubbed Cryptoverse, which aims to entice a younger crowd to engage with NFTs and play-to-earn services on top of the Flow blockchain, the same tech used by Draper Labs to deploy a well-known NBA Top Shot app. About the inclusion of younger users in this play-to-earn and gaming platform, Crypto Toys CEO Will Windell stated, he said, "You have to take a step back from all the Web3 maximalism. You got to take baby steps to getting millions and millions of people to these new paradigms." So Ariana Simpson, a general partner, she said a higher caliber of creative and storytelling from the Crypto Toys team is primed to delight and excite the next generation of consumers and collectives. So operates a partnership. The companies announced that it will pursue alternative activities, including gaming activities where users can win NFTs to get into the platform for monetization. The platform planning to issue a pair of tokens, Toykin and Binary Dust. So, guys, with this partnership with Mattel is dope, though, man. So they contribute to its funding round. And Mattel, it's one of pretty much like the biggest toy business in the world. So that's something you definitely want to be in. And they're gonna be merging this together, real toy company with the NFTs and the GameFi. I think it's gonna be dope because not only you gonna own the NFTs, you're gonna own the actual physical toys, in which you probably can put that together and then you'll be able to set up for a premium. But yeah, guys, we're gonna do a Q&A. We don't have any questions. We'll do this live. And besides that, man, so if you guys got any questions, put it in the chat. You guys got any questions, put it in the chat. And what we're going to do, we're going to get this going. If not, we'll end this live. Got a couple of meetings today anyway. So, yeah, man, this definitely something, man. This is something. Let me see here real quick. Yeah, so I'm telling you right now, guys, what all you got to do is just come in and just see exactly what's going on with the market. And that's what I like to do. I like to come in and see exactly what's going on with the market. And we're seeing ETH push down. We're seeing Bitcoin push down. Fed Chair Powell spoke today as well, early this morning. So, I mean, the markets are pretty much, they're red regardless. Let's see what the traditional market is doing right now. Yeah. So, I mean, it's pretty much red, all day. It's not, the market ain't crazy, crazy. The Dow and all, it ain't down too crazy. I mean, it took a spanking yesterday. But, the market's not doing too good today anyway, and especially crypto. And also, we had inside our mastermind report, it's going to be a down week this week too. So that's why we was easy to short. Um, oh, no. You still going to have thousands of coins in the market. You're going to have more. You're going to have more. I remember when I first got in, I don't think it was even like 1,000 coins, I don't believe. So it's going to be more. It's going to be more coins, more tokens, because people keep building. People keep building and building and building. You have projects coming out with 2 tokens at a time. Like we just seen with the NFT, the crypto toys. So you're going to have projects coming out with different tokens all the time. So no, you don't see 15 to 20 coins. You're going to see a lot more than that. You probably start seeing 50,000 tokens. But you got to, because the market going to grow. More money comes in, the market going to grow. More users, more developers. A lot of people are leaving from other industries coming over to crypto. So they're actually going to be building as well. Right now is the time for building. Me, myself, I'm actually going to go and give me another gaming laptop so I can actually start building as well, because right now is the time for building, and that's where people that want to build and start learning solidity, engineering, and everything like that. I mean, you're gonna make the real money. You're gonna make the crazy money. A lot of those positions paying $300,000 salary starting out. But yeah, it's gonna grow and get bigger and bigger, and you're gonna make more money that way. But it's gonna be a lot more BS as well. A lot more BS is gonna be out there, so you just gotta be able to, maneuver and find the projects that you actually like. You know what I mean? I have my projects I actually like. I've been liking them for years, and they treat me very well. Again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, and ADA. So that's my coin, my 5 coins, my go-to. I'm liking Harmony. I'm gonna keep dollar cost averaging on Harmony. The whole bridge incident, what happened? That's one thing, but they're gonna get fixed. I think it's a good project. I went to one of the parties over at NFT NYC. I went to one of the Harmony parties, and I met some people there. I met some of the Harmony team, and I'm able to I see what they're doing. It's gonna be a lot of good things they got coming out. So we ain't gonna let one. They said one monkey don't stop the show, right? But yeah, man. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna close this out right here. If you guys don't have any more questions, we're gonna close this out right here. And man, just make sure you guys. We're gonna refresh this. Make sure you guys see. We don't have a lot of volume, 61 billion. So just be careful out there, guys. You look at the trade, you're going dollar cost average. I say at best. If not, unless you shorten the market, I wouldn't be in there trying to really go too crazy. All right. So unless you shorten the market, I wouldn't be going there really too crazy, or you dollar cost averaging. You say, okay, listen, I get paid every Friday or every few weeks, every other Friday, and I just buy some more Bitcoin. You're fine with that. You're not gonna find perfect bottom, not gonna find perfect tops. But I'm letting you know right now what I think the bottom is gonna be. The bottom, I feel personally, is gonna be once the Feds break the market, they're going to make the market. So once they start, after they break everything, and everything's in a turmoil, then you're gonna start seeing the whereas they're gonna start lowering the interest rates and then start putting money back into the markets, and then and only then you're gonna start seeing people actually start throwing money into risk-on assets such as crypto, and that's where you're gonna start seeing that money come in. That's my opinion. That's what I'm going with, and also you have Bitcoin halving. So unless either those, whatever comes first, that's gonna start seeing some money come to the market. But obviously, Bitcoin halving, that's when the market is really gonna take off and go crazy. And we're gonna run it up and do our thing in 2024, 2025, baby. So that's how it is. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next video. She got Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. Guys, make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on all our different social medias. We had a crazy crypto spaces, Twitter spaces last night. We had a lot of people on there. It was a lot of fun. And people asked some good questions. But we have another call on July 3rd where we're giving out $500 in Bitcoin on that call on July 3rd. Make sure you follow us on Twitter so you guys see exactly where where to find us at on that call, how to get on that call, and how to actually make some moolah. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. She got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. We out here, baby. Peace.